Hello, I'm Fiona. I'm not here with Daniela today, but I'm just by myself. But there's a reason for that, because today I'm going to be sorting out all my fabrics and my poor husband Iain is going to help me. Okay, come on Iain. Look at Ian's face. All right, so we would put the 2 lines of... Because we are starting out more on a community basis rather than just doing it from a hobby basis, we're trying to be more organised. So we don't have a lot of permanent storage in this room at the moment, so we felt that the best way to sort things out was to put them in big storage plastic boxes. That's one of Daniela's stolen straw hats. We're just about halfway through and we're even more in a muddle than we were before, but we're getting there.